So hello and welcome to the Maths Guide, and today we're going to go back to looking at normal percentages again. So we're asked in this question, what is the selling price of an item that cost €36 and is sold at a loss of 25%? So in this question we're saying that 100% of the cost of an item is €36. So we're told what the original cost is in this question. So this is different to what you were doing yesterday. Just have a little remember of that. This is just normal percentages again. And the reason that we're doing this today is we want to look at a direct method instead of the unitary method. So 100% of the cost of an item is €36. If it's sold at a loss of 25%, we want to find, and you practiced this yesterday, so we know what you're looking for. We want to find 75% of the cost of the item, meaning we want to find 75% of €36. And you know how to write 75% as a decimal. It's not 0.75. And you know in maths that when you want to find 75% of €36, it's 0.75 times €36. So you get that, and you put that straight into your calculator, and you'll find that that's equal to, how much is that? €27, I guess. 3/4 of €36. 75% written as a decimal is 0.75. Put that into your calculator. 0.75 times €36 is equal to €27. So if you bought an item for 36 and you made a loss of 25%, that means you sold it for €27. The idea here is that we are not finding 25% and subtracting it, and we're not doing any kind of unitary method. We're doing a direct method, multiplying by 0.75 to get our answer there. Okay, let's have a look at a different question. So we're asked in this question, what is the selling price of an item that costs €32 and is sold at a profit of 25%. So same idea. We have the original amount is 100% of the cost of the item. And if we make a profit of 25%, we want to find 125% of the cost of the item. This is what we want, which is of course 125% of €32. How do I find that? I write it as a decimal, 1.25 multiplied by 32. So very straightforward. To find 125%, we write it as a decimal, we put it into our calculator, 1.25 times by 32, and that will give us, that'll give us €40. Okay, and that is our answer. So the idea here is that we're not working out what the profit is and adding it on, we're working it out in one step, a single step where you multiply your cost by 1.25 to get your answer. And the reason for that you will find out tomorrow, but for today have a look at the worksheets, have a look at the questions. If you're on YouTube, you can access the worksheet, it's available in the description, and of course if you're on the course you'll get the automatically corrected exercises and revision scheduled for you, which will help you to understand all of this much better. So have a go with that, and the best of luck.